name is Robin, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your camp once you have your tent set up, your cot set up, your sleeping pad, which we refer to as a paco, and your dry bag. Two cots can easily be set up inside the tent. One cot against each door, or one cot against each side wall. Most nights, it's really lovely to sleep outside under the stars. You can sleep directly on the cot if you would like more airflow, or sleep on top of the paco on your cot for decreased airflow and added comfort. We also recommend using the provided fitted sheet on top of the paco or cot. The sheet can be tucked underneath or left as is. Rest well and enjoy!